my car and I'm more stressed than you.
There's been a lot of shit talking lately online. Bro, we really fucking do this.
One day you're gonna learn.
Anybody can make the power. If you guys think you got what it takes to sit next to this car, any car that we have, we can line it up wherever you guys want.
You ain't ready for that.
It's 2023. If you ain't making over 1,000, junk that shit. I want you guys to guess how much horsepower you think are gonna be the final numbers.
Just cash at me and I'll let you know.
I don't see no ghost tuner here, bitches. Before we get this video started, I need you guys to do me a favor. My goal this year is to try to hit 100K by the end of the year. I think it's doable, but it's pretty far out. I know because I think we picked up maybe like 30,000 within the first year. So please guys, if you guys are watching, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and just leave a comment. It could be anything. Just like, hey Sonic, we're watching, love the video, whatever it is. But just do me that favor, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Dyno day here at New England. We are tuning my all-wheel drive car. We're gonna try round 2. We fixed the rocker situation, hoping everything is good. I haven't put it back on a dyno since that happened. Second time's a charm?
Yeah, hopefully. They really say third time, but we don't need a third time, right?
Let's hope not. Let's hope not. I'm gonna tell Jamie to stop it at 900.
I already talked to him.
Honestly, I wanna stop it at 1,000.
You're getting old.
Who getting old?
You're getting old, You don't want to take your cars out racing no more. You don't want to make that much more power. Where's the old Sonic at?
I want to support you guys. You guys been supporting me coming to the track. I want to support you guys. I want to support my guys.
If you want to support me, then let's get max power out of this.
What just happened here? So the car would like intermediate like misfire like right after crossover because it kind of gets rowdy. I bought some spark plug wires from this company that pre-makes them. Like they're actually spark plug wire company. Unfortunately they were shit, so the wires would actually come off the actual spark plug, like vibrate off. I'm pretty sure we just fixed the issue. I stole my brother's spark plug wires from his car. Yo Jack, what just happened, bro?
You see these shits right here? I had to change rockers because of these shit.
Yeah, what we make? Oh shit. 672 first clean hit. Yo, 670 first clean?
Honestly, you know why these don't work? Because you want to be fancy and go somewhere else and not let me make them for you.
You made my last set. You know what? I was trying to take a workload off you, bro.
The set that works is a set that I made.
Yeah, so J-Rock made me a set like 4 years ago. We made it from MSD wire. I ordered the clips online. I just wanted to take one thing off his plate. I wanted to give this company, like, you know, I try to give a new company a chance to like work with you, and shit just doesn't work out. I should always just stick to what I know. Honestly, I probably could have lost the motor because of that shit. Thank God we caught it here on a dyno. I'm actually glad we fixed the issue. Yo, bro, that shit had me stressed out. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
You? Ain't even my car and I'm more stressed than you. I don't like this car. This car stresses me out.
Don't say that. You said that about the B-Series car too.
I would rather have that car at the track, and this is all on the same day. That car at the track and that car at the track, and all three break at the same time, and I gotta fix them all at once, than have just this one car at the track and have to fix it. Wow. Yeah.
670 first clean hit?
Sound fucking good.
So I used the original MSD wires that we made. I stole them from my brother's car. I'm just gonna buy another set and have Jarek make me a set.
One day you're gonna learn.
I learned today. Yo, bro. Guess what the problem was? VTC wasn't plugged in. Nope. VTEC solenoid. Nope. Spark plug wires from that shitty company. Believe that shit? That's fucking crazy. So J-Rock put all that shit. I don't know. The rockers, I think I don't know if they were still hanging up or not. I feel like it was just the wires the whole time. And I stole your spark plug wire since you went fast, so I feel like I can go as fast as you on the dyno. So I feel like I'm gonna go slow now because you touched my car. So I need you to come stand with us on the dyno. First hit, 672. Now maybe try to turn it up a little bit more, see what it does. Got the boys standing on the car in front of the dyno. tuner here, bitches. Basically 1,000 wheel. I think it was spicy.
You ain't ready for that.
Yo, you can't be showing the competition what we're making, baby. They know we're at least making 1,000.
This car ain't coming out
That's
anyways.
it. We're gonna stop the video here. Whatever happens after this, that's it. Yo, talk to YouTube, bro. YouTube wants to know. I see people in the comments. When are you gonna repost back on your channel?
Probably February of this year.
February?
Yeah, this is too much. Too much going on. Too much on my plate. Gotta prioritize everything. I love YouTube, but I don't have the time. The editing and everything behind it is just, I'm a one-man army. It's too much.
That's a lot of work. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, I'm to the point where we gotta hire somebody here to like pretty much film full time and edit because I'm like weeks behind on videos. Not even gonna lie to you guys. Probably got like 7 videos on my computer, and it's just between everything going on here. By the time I get home, like 8, 9 o'clock. I got home yesterday at 11 o'clock at night. To edit one good video to make it good for you guys is like it takes me like 2, 3 days, 4 days.
It's a lot. I don't know how you do it. Look at me, I'm clapped out, bro. I'm ready to take a nap right here.
I want you guys to guess in the comments how much power. I'm not going to show the dyno numbers moving forward. The only reason being is because I'm going to grudge this car. Everybody knows whatever. All these cars make over 1,000 wheel. It's cool for a video or whatever. I want you guys to guess how much horsepower you think are going to be the final numbers. I'll get the video for you guys, but I won't announce the horsepower.
Just cash at me and I'll let you know.
It's 2023. If you ain't making over 1,000, junk that shit. That shit felt insane on the car just now. So earlier today, I said let's go to IFO next week, and what'd you say?
I said I didn't want to go.
Okay, so how do you feel now?
I want to fucking drive. I want to fucking drive.
Yo, we going to IFO?
How much are spectator tickets?
Yo, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, baby.
He's going to be off the rev limiter 24/7.
My boy gonna bang those gears. Yo, bro, you know what you're doing?
Nah, I got my ghost tuner on top. It's so nice you can't even see him.
What he said?
My ghost tuner's controlling my hand.
These dudes be just talking shit online, talking about Jamie Ghost Tunes. Like, if you don't get that shit out of here, man, this dude be at the track. He tunes your tuner's cars. Put it like that. He tunes your tuner's cars.
If only the internet knew the truth.
People be pulling because Jamie got TeamViewer. If you don't know Jamie has TeamViewer on for everybody. He tunes people's cars while tuning my car. He tunes everyone's cars. The Ghost Tuner.
Oh, shit. I'm waiting for a rainy day for that one.
Stay humble, let the cars do the work.
Not yours because they don't get out the garage now.
Don't be talking shit. Making me nervous.
I don't know, bro.
Who's making you nervous? Do I ever not perform when I'm driving my car? You guys talk shit to me every time before I drive, and I go out there and show you guys like
I don't know. You haven't raced this season
You
yet.
haven't even raced this year yet.
Trying to duck and dodge driving all in all.
You taking your car to IFO?
Jamie, that's because he knows
Which
what's
car?
Which one do you want me to take?
Turbo car. I want you to get ready. Force induction pro together.
I'll bring them both.
I will bust that ass. Matter of fact, leave this show on wastegate. I'll still you up.
Where does energy come from? Because you didn't have this a few hours ago.
Honestly, this car didn't give me enough confidence earlier. Like, I was like, fuck, the spark plug wires, and this shit misfired. Shit misfired last time.
You didn't get excited until after it made the number you wanted.
Because, like,
what happened? He's like, oh, look,
because
900, I'm good. I don't want more than that. Now look at you.
Honestly, 900 ain't shit. Not even 1,000.
Oh
1,000 horsepower is not shit. Like, this car right here, like, it's smooth. It's a walk in the park. But like, jumping another 1,000 and it's all-wheel drive, it's like, Come on.
No, you can't even say
on.
that.
This
A
might be
1,000
too much.
horsepower all-wheel drive car is a pretty badass car.
It is badass, but not badass enough for me. Like, I've been driving 1,000 horsepower cars for a long time.
We're gonna have to take the diaper off the motor and put it under the seat for you.
Guys, I want to know what's your predictions off the trailer, what this car's gonna do. I think they're gonna do.
ET wise?
Nah, I know, because he's gonna let out. He gonna let out.
Let out. Like, you guys know me. I don't let out unless some shit about to crash.
You can't really show horsepower numbers because it's gonna be a drag car.
You tell them, huh? Because they be upset at me. Why?
Because we can't really show horsepower numbers because it's gonna be a grudge car. We're gonna race this car a lot all over. People get scared of horsepower numbers, and honestly, horsepower numbers don't really mean shit. It's more so how you set up your cars. We spend a lot of time with our cars to make sure our cars go A to B every single time. That's the key thing. Anybody can make the power. It's more so how if you can put the power down pretty much. We're gonna be testing a lot with this car. Every all-wheel drive car that's out, that's going faster, like low 8 seconds, quicker than that, is definitely making over 1,000 horsepower. That's just how it is. Spicier and spicier.
Yo, most horsepower made on this dyno yet?
Probably. I don't really like getting too cocky and talking shit, but there's been a lot of shit talking lately online. That's why I'm kind of like talking shit in this video. I'm just tired of it. You know, sometimes you stay quiet for too long and people just think like you're too nice or whatever. Bro, we really fucking do this. We've been doing this for a long time. Way before social media has been out. We had race cars. We've been racing in the streets, track. We're just tired of this shit talking, man. If you guys think you got what it takes to sit next to this car, any car that we have, we can line it up wherever you guys want. Any pot, we'll match it.
I also want to give a huge shout out to all the guys involved. Shout out to my fabricator, MPH Fabrication, my wiring guy, Savi Wiring, anyone that had a part to do with this car. It's been a long time coming. A little over 4 years, I want to say. J-Rock, my brother, everyone here at the shop. It's just been insane. Shout out to everybody that had a helping hand. Like, this car's been to my fabricator maybe 3-4 times. It's switched a bunch of different setups, but now it's finally great to see the car complete. You good to go, baby?
Ready. Are you ready to?
You know I'm always ready to go.
I don't know. It's a different beast though.
It is. It's different. It's a completely different ball game. What you think, Jamie?
Off the trailer?
Yeah, off the trailer.
778 at like 183.
778, 183?
Yeah. See how close we get.
Alright, here we go. Last pull. I just want to tell you thank you. Yo, you always come through, bro. I love you. I swear. I've known Jamie for the longest. Like, he's always there no matter what, and I love him for that. The car's making too much power for it to hook up on our dyno. Usually at this point of the dyno session, we tune the rest of it at the racetrack. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys on the next one.